You said I was great! You said I could be great! You said we were destined to be together! You said it to the world! You said it to me! And I wish you never had to, because you did not mean any of it!
That's when I spend the most time thinking about what I've given up. This is a warning.
He's not good enough
When you
for
start
you?
the day, just
That's
close the
not fair.
curtains. You're thinking about what I've given up. Where are you now? As I'm swimming through the stereo, I'm writing you a symphony of sound. Where are you now? As we rearrange the songs again, this mix could burn a hole in anyone. But it was you I was thinking of.
What if what you want is for me to let go?
It was you I was
Nothing.
thinking of.
Be happy, Luke. I want that with all my